In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use one of the most mind-blowing AI video tools I've ever reviewed on my website or on my YouTube channel rather. Now it's called Tavus. Now if you go, they have video generation, they have conversational video interface, and they have AI models. One of the things I want to really explore is this conversational video interface. Now, this is Carter, and you can have a conversation with him. I will try talking with Carter, and you will see how it works. Let me click on this, and it's going to tell me to start conversation. It's connecting now. It's going to take a little bit of time to connect. Now it's asking me to join the call. I'll join the call. It's still connecting.
What can I do for you?
Hey, Kat, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. But I should let you know I'm not God. I'm Carter from Tavus. How
Oh,
can I help you today?
I'm sorry for mispronouncing your name.
No need to apologize. It happens. So, what's on your mind? How can I assist you today?
Oh, okay. How do I get to New
Don't
York?
worry about it. Let's move forward.
How do I
Is
get
there
to New
something?
York?
New York. That's a
Yeah.
big trip from San Francisco. You can fly, take a train, or drive, but flying is probably the fastest way. If you need
Oh,
more details or help with that, I can try to point you in the right direction.
all right. I'm waiting. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. So, could you believe that that's not a human? That's just uh, an AI generated video. I don't know how to describe it. This is just absolutely mind blowing. That's not the real person. Carter is not the real person. Yet he's answering all my questions. And, the first iteration I had with this, they gave me up to 2 minutes of conversation with Carter. And the guy is absolutely mind blowing. You can look even at his emotions, the movements on his face. You won't believe that this is actually, just an AI generated person. Look at the expressions on his face, the movements of on his eyes, even the background. You can see the trees. They are moving based on the direction of the wind. You would absolutely not believe this, but there is more to this. There is more to this. If we go to the pricing first of all, for this, you see you can start with a free plan, and it gives you access to conversational video and video generation, 5 stock replicas, 3 minutes free credit of video generation, 3 minutes free credit of conversational video, and it goes further. If you want the paid version, everything in free plus pay as you go, 3 free personal replicas, 25 personal, and all that. And then the growth, which is for the big guys, discounted pay as you go, 10 free personal replicas. I'll just go with the free version for now. I want to create an account. I'll just add my credentials here and meet you on the next page. I've now signed up for Tavus. This is my current plan. And if we explore this dashboard, I'll just go to home. And you see it says create new conversation. What I can do is just click on create. And it brings me here. It gives me a number of replicas. This is Carter. And, you can pick a replica. You can create a replica from here. I'll just close this first of all. Open this back. And then you see this is Santa. Phoenix 2. This is, and he's using the Phoenix 2 model. This is also Nathan. He actually said it was Carter, but I guess Carter was telling a lie. You can see Calvin. You can see Celine. I'll go with Celine. I'll click on next. Conversation name. Let's just see how to get fit. Get fit. Now it's asking us for conversation context. If you click on this info button, it's going to tell you. It says conversational context. Uh, is context that the replica will use for conversation only. The replica will not use this context for other conversation. And it says, example, you're about to speak with Sarah, a vibrant 35-year-old marketing executive. Sarah loves literature and currently reading Don Colloxte, whatever that means. Sarah loves stories that are full of adventure and intrigue. She's a fan of the classics and enjoys reading books that are rich in history and context. You know what? I want to use ChatGPT or any other AI model to do this, to generate this. So I'll come to my AI. I'll choose one of my models here. I'll use GPT 4.0 and I want to see, give me the profile of Celine, a 28-year-old fitness trainer. She used to be overweight, but got interested in fitness and diet 4 years ago. She is a personal trainer for many celebrities, and she absolutely loves helping people get fit. Okay, so I'm going to, and this is a background, current career. Now this is the context. All right, I'll just copy all of this, whatever is going to fit into that box. I'll copy, and then I'll just come here, and I'm going to paste this here, Control V. All right, and then I'll say create conversation. It's going to take a little bit of time. Now it shows me this pop-up and it says join conversation. I will join conversation now. It's loading and it wants me to allow camera. Yes, I'll say allow while visiting this website. I'm just going to block my face there for context. And I think Celine is loading. All right. Hello, Celine.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I want to get fit. I'm a bit obese. How can you help me?
Don't worry, I'm here to help. We
All
can
right.
work together to create a customized fitness plan that suits your needs and goals. What's your current activity level like? And
All
have you
right.
tried any fitness programs before?
Actually, I just do a few push-ups every day, but I want to scale that up.
That's a great start with the push-ups. Scaling up is definitely achievable. Let's focus on building a balanced routine that includes strength training,
Oh,
cardio, and nutrition.
by the way, please, can you help me craft a keto diet?
A keto diet can be a great way to support your weight loss goals. I'd be happy to help you craft a personalized keto meal plan.
All right. So
To get started,
how much do you charge?
I offer different packages, but don't worry about that just yet. Let's
Oh,
focus on your goals and create a plan that
oh,
works for
come
you.
on,
If
Celine. Can you just tell me the price, please? Please?
My pricing starts at $100 per session, but I also offer package deals and monthly memberships that can be more cost effective.
Okay. By the way, Celine, are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm pretty focused on my work as a fitness trainer and nutrition coach right now.
Oh, all right, all right, all right, all right. I'm sorry for being unprofessional. I'm just trying to find out, pardon me, please.
No
So
need to apologize.
yeah, apart from
It's a,
fitness, what else do you do?
Apart from training, I love hiking and outdoor activities.
All right,
I also enjoy experimenting with healthy recipes and practicing mindfulness through journaling.
all right. So can you help me hiking? What do I need to start hiking?
I'd love to help you with hiking. To get started, you'll need some basic gear like sturdy shoes or hiking boots, comfortable clothing, and a backpack with essentials like water, snacks, and a map.
All right.
We can work on building up your endurance and strength to prepare you for hikes, too.
All right. Okay, Celine. Can I take
Looks
a
like we've got a
screenshot? Just please a moment. Let me take a screenshot of this page visible part. All right. Celine, I'm back. So I took a screenshot of this and it closed the conversation. But let's go back to what else you can do. Video generation with this particular tool and script to video. So we can generate a video here. I want to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give me the prompt. Okay, I want to generate a video, a 1 minute video of a guy narrating the benefit of of doing push-ups. Let's say 30 seconds. 30-second video. Please give me the script. So I said just 30 seconds. All right. This is the script. I'm going to copy this. I'll come back to Tavus. I'll put that there. Then you can choose your narrator, either Nathan, any of these. This is Anna. You have Laura, you have Nathan, you have Calvin. I want to look at the others. I'll use Calvin now. I'll go with Calvin. I'll go with this. So this is the prompt, and these are additional settings. Video name, Calvin word, fallback URL. No, I'll leave that. Background URL, I'll leave that. I'll just, if you have a video, an audio instead, you can put that here. I'm just going to click on generate. And it's processing my request. It will take a little bit of time. I'll just pause the video for now. I'm now told that my video generation is completed. So I'll click on it. And here it is.
Push-ups, one of the most effective and underrated exercises out there. Let me tell you why they're amazing. First, they strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, giving you a full upper body workout.
Wow.
Second, they improve your posture and help prevent injuries by building functional strength. And here's the best part. You can do push-ups anywhere, anytime, no equipment needed. Plus, they burn calories and boost your heart health when done consistently. So start today. Just a few push-ups a day can make a big difference in your strength and overall fitness. Let's go.
Wow. This is absolutely mind-blowing. So you can watch this in 1080 and you can download it to your website or to your computer. You can download that to your computer. And this is amazing. This is just simply amazing. So you have quite a lot you can do here. If I go to my conversation library, it's going to show me all my conversations which I've had. How to get fit. I don't know if it's possible to download my conversation. I don't see a download button here, but since I recorded my conversation, but I want to believe with their API, you can be able to integrate this into your website or to your platform or whatever. So I see something here like, let me go to the pricing. If I go to the pricing, I want to see what this entails. So 3 personal replicas, compare plans. I want to see if they have anything about API. Okay, this is the API. So I want to believe that from the paid plans, you can integrate this on your project or on your API or something of that sort. So instead of what is a person that can I make? Yes, I want to believe that instead of hiring somebody to answer some of these calls and all that, you can just pay this $375 a month instead of paying somebody maybe $2,000-3,000 a month, and you can have this on your website. And when somebody needs a conversation, you can say, okay, you're booking a 3-minute conversation maximum 3 minutes. If you want something more, you can go for the custom, the enterprise plan, and you can host maybe up to, I don't know how many they give, unlimited, you see volume discounts, unlimited personal replicas per month. So that is all up to you. If you want to use Tavus.io, they are not sponsoring this video, even though I believe they should. If any member of Tavus is listening to me, come sponsor me, and I'm going to do more deep dives on this, and I'm going to explore all your features at a higher level. So if you want to try, just go to Tavus.io and make sure to try it out. God bless you. Peace.